Welcome to Lightspeed's video support. I'm Matt, here to show you how to connect the Socket mobile barcode scanner to your iPad. In this video, we're going to connect the Socket Mobile S700 wireless scanner, but you can follow these instructions to connect other supported models. If you want more information about supported models, view the video description for links to our R-Series Help Center. Before you compare the scanner to the iPad, we recommend charging it for at least 4 hours. After charging your scanner, power it on by pressing the small power button until you hear the scanner beep and the green lights flash. Tap the large button to trigger the laser and scan a barcode. First, we're going to put the scanner into iOS mode. Simply hold the scanner up to your screen and scan this barcode here. If you can't scan the barcode from your monitor, you can use the barcode in the Socket Mobile manual. You can also print the barcode. View the video description for a link to the barcode image. After scanning the barcode, your scanner will beep a few times, which means you've successfully put it into iOS mode. Now, we are going to connect the scanner to your iPad. Navigate to Settings, Bluetooth on the iPad. Tap the toggle to enable Bluetooth. Look for Socket S700 under Other Devices. Tap to connect and wait for the scanner to appear as connected under My Devices. Now, navigate to your Lightspeed app. You'll get a notification that the scanner is connected. It will also appear under Devices on the profile screen. Now, we're ready to scan an item. Open a new sale and scan an item barcode. This item must exist in your back office inventory, or the app will not recognize the barcode. The scanner will beep and vibrate, and the item will appear in the sale. Now you can easily scan your items during a sale or while counting inventory. If you have any questions, just visit our R-Series Help Center.